Are there many parks near where you live?
Well, yes, there are quite a few of them. The national government has issued a mandate to all local governments to build parks to develop community building. So there are many projects on parks coming up. They have planned to establish two new parks near our area. I read it in the newspapers.
Do you like going to the parks?
I'm very fond of Gibbs Garden near my house. It has a small pond as well. I go there on weekends to relax and enjoy the fresh air.
Do you think there are enough parks or gardens in your hometown?
We have one large garden in the center of the city, but there are also several parks in the suburbs, yes. So I think we have just the right number of parks in our town.
What did you used to do in parks as a child?
Well, let me remember. I had loads of fun in the park nearby. It had a seesaw and I enjoyed going up and down on it. We had other children from the neighborhood who joined me in playing. We had a miniature version of merry-go-round, which we thoroughly enjoyed.
Mandate. This is the authority given to an elected group of people, such as the government, to perform an action or govern a country. For example, the law mandated a minimum 6-year sentence for violent crimes. Miniature. This is used to describe something that is a very small copy of an object. For example, I bought some miniature furniture for my niece's dollhouse. Pond. Pond is a small body of still water formed naturally or by artificial means. For example, the children enjoy floating their boats on the pond in the park. Seesaw. Seesaw is a long plank balanced in the middle on a fixed support on each end of which children sit and swing up and down by pushing the ground alternatively with their feet. For example, kids enjoy going up and down in the seesaw.